Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
The SEEKONE 1800W heat gun is your one-stop shop for tackling a wide range of DIY tasks and projects. This versatile tool packs a powerful punch with its 1800W motor, capable of reaching scorching temperatures up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, in a matter of seconds. Whether you're a seasoned crafter, a home improvement enthusiast, or a professional contractor, the SEEKONE heat gun will become your trusty companion. Strong power and fast heating. With its 1800W motor, it quickly heats up air up to 1,202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius, in seconds, making it ideal for tasks like stripping paint, shrinking PVC, curing epoxy, and thawing frozen pipes. Variable temperature control. The adjustable temperature allows you to precisely match the heat output to your specific project, ensuring you don't overheat delicate materials. Overload protection. Built-in safety features prevent the heat gun from overheating, giving you peace of mind while you work. For nozzles for different applications, the included nozzles provide focused heat for various tasks, such as concentrating airflow for paint stripping or using a wide-angle nozzle for faster drying. Ergonomic design. The SEEKONE heat gun is designed for comfortable use, with a multi-grip handle that minimizes fatigue during extended projects. Overall, the SEEKONE heat gun is a powerful, versatile, and safe tool that's a great addition to any DIY toolbox. Apin_Spark_Share_more_vert.
That was today's videos. If you like the video, don't miss like, comment, and share. And if you want to get more product-related videos like this every day, then stay with us by subscribing the channel. Thanks for watching the video.